from CPE
Yes,
College
Naren.
Sarda section. Now I am here to support the three acts passed by the Modi government or the BJP. The three acts are mainly based on the farmers. In these three acts, Modi government or the BJP has clearly said that the MSP price wouldn't be taken off, which is adopted from the time of the Green Revolution, that is in the periods of 1960 to the 1970. Farmers over here are protesting over the Delhi borders, thinking that the MSP would be taken off from the country and they couldn't sell the goods at the minimum support price. In fact, the government had said that we wouldn't be the mediators as always, and you can sell the goods to the people or the public by yourself by keeping AMPC, Agriculture Market Produce Centers. But this is been misleaded by Akali Dal and some other parties. Because of this, the farmers of Punjab, Haryana, and many different states, such as Uttar Pradesh, and every state are coming all over the Delhi borders and protesting over it. But the main thing is that the government and the chief ministers and our honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi is also assuring that we will give it in return that the MSP wouldn't be abolished. Even Narendra Singh Tomar, the chief minister, has even said that he would be the one who would be safeguarding the things which were provided to the farmers or the small farmers who are protesting over the acts. Even the government is assuring that if any conflicts occurs between them and the public, that is the private people who are purchasing the goods, the government is also here to support the farmers if any petition is being filed. But the main reason is that the farmers are being misled by some political parties who are enjoying it all over by making the farmers and the government going hand on hand. I really think so that these three acts are very useful for our farmers because the farmers are the backbone of our country. Our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi has a lots of thought all over it, but the farmers do think that all the schemes and everything which were given previously wouldn't be provided by the government in these times. But the reality is this: the government has agreed to provide all the schemes as well as being the judge of the matters or the being the supreme while the people are selling the goods or purchasing. If anything occurs, they can go to the Supreme Court or even the High Court or the primary court, whichever they want. And the top two bills, Farmer Produce Trade and Commerce Act Bill 2020 and Farmers Agreement on Price Assurance and Farmers Bill 2020 is already passed in the lower house, that is the Lok Sabha of India. The Essential Commodities Bill 2020 isn't passed till now, but it is we are assuming that the bill is to be passed too early. I just think that because of some misleading and misconceptions and less awareness of these acts, the farmers are coming all over the Delhi and protesting. I want everyone to post their views and ask any questions if they have some. And I want everyone to be safe and secure in the time of Corona. And happy Kisan Day to everyone. Thank you.